someone come and throw my heart, I think it's frozen. Deep boy fresh with it on, know how I pop out. Bullshit is not important, what I'ma pop out. Don't play with the... Someone come and throw my heart, I think it's frozen.
Tire pressure needs to be adjusted, man. God damn, boy, you just took the hell off. I'm like, God, where'd he go? Let's look up on the beam, gone. Just gone, dog. And you see a tire them done. So supposed to say they have good tire, dog. Bounty killer. Oh shit. Boy, brake boosting, man. That's a signification of racing. That signifies racing, man. Boy, Danny. Got a little bit of a turn, right? So. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, slow. Damn, that light still haven't changed yet? God damn. Yo, I'm big up on that all again. Bro, that's your way. Boom! Boom, my ears off me. Bounty killer! Yo! That bad, dog, that bad. You hear that whine? Yo! That's it, dog, that's sick. That's sick, yo. That mud. Can't catch your fire line, you know? Can't beat your fire line. I don't know what me last night. Last night you must never launch good. These days, me not trust people too fierce. Dog, brother, What kind of bomb you drop, dog? I be a bomb. Be a bomb. Bruh, bruh. Oh, fuck, Lord. Yeah? Yo! Be a flames did I shoot last night. Even during the race, you know? When me and I race, shoot one big flame. Boom, what? She two pipe them. Flame shooter Hellcat, dog. Your car. Well, that's what I'm saying. We need a camera on your back of your car one day. You must shoot flames. With them the big old pop there? But he wants it again, you know. Start. What happened, Danny dog? Bounty killer something to Danny car. Something happened to Danny car. What happened, brother? No. It a move? It can't move? Is that drive? No, something just happened to Danny car. What happened? What happened? Brakes, my boy. Put in a park. You in a park? You in a park? Hold on. You think someone empty transmission? What the hell? I see something a drip up at top. Hold on. You want to pull off another road then? Oh my god, dog. It's not moving. I don't think it's moving. Boosted Brody. No. Okay. So Boosted Brody. Check out Boosted Brody if you need a tow, man. And he got a car that will gap you. Check out Boosted Brody. Putting up the M550, man. We never like when the nights end like this, but it do happen. Luckily, it's just an axle. It's not an engine or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? But, and luckily, we got my boy Boosted Brody. Which, if you need a tow, hit him up, man. At the old school. Old school in the back. Yeah, man. Go support my boy Instagram. You know, show him some love for the car going down. Hold on. Else that's so, okay? Show him some love.